Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the garlic pickle. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 250 grams of peeled garlic cloves, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 1/4 cup of mustard oil. Don't forget a half cup of salt, 1 tablespoon each of turmeric and red chili powder and fenugreek seeds. Finally, have 1 teaspoon of asafoetida and 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds ready. Now let's prepare our star ingredient, the garlic. First, wash your peeled garlic cloves thoroughly and pat them completely dry. This is crucial for preventing any unwanted moisture. Next, lightly crush the cloves. You can use a mortar and pestle or even a rolling pin. Then spread the crushed garlic on a clean tray and let it air dry for a few hours. This step ensures a perfect texture and helps preserve your pickle. With the garlic ready, it's time to build our incredible flavor base. Start by heating the mustard oil in a pan until it just begins to smoke, then let it cool slightly. Into this warm oil, add your mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, and asafoetida to temper them. Next, mix in the turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt with these aromatic spices. Finally, combine this fragrant mixture with your dried, crushed garlic cloves, ensuring everything is well coated. For the grand finale, pour the white vinegar over your garlic and spice mixture, making sure every piece is thoroughly coated. Now, carefully transfer your delicious pickle into a clean, sterilized glass jar, pressing it down gently to remove any air pockets. Seal the jar tightly and store it in a cool, dark place for at least 7 days. Remember to shake the jar daily. This helps the flavors meld beautifully, creating a truly irresistible garlic pickle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.